Hey Build Space. So I wanted to give a week 5 update for you guys. So this week we worked on the website a bit, updated the colors and got the newest 3D model on there, so that looks cool, nice and colorful this time, and added a fun little animation so it follows you around as you scroll through the page. I actually had some interest in people getting some clicks from messages from people interested in like the website and the animation stuff, so I made a little like 3D video about the model and like how I did the kind of the animation and all that on there. Hopefully we can get some attention and some likes from maybe some of the instructional videos and stuff that we do. Links to our GitHub, links to our website. Made a lot of progress on the augmented reality this week. You can see actually here is our pilot perspective and our drone perspective, and you can see the object detection being projected onto our pilot's perspective, even when it goes out of line of sight of the pilot. So that's pretty cool. Also have a lot of progress on the 3D body. We printed out the latest version. Got the actuators and the springs for it. Turns out we need a couple more springs, but it's looking pretty good. The wing, how the wings are actually folding out and deploying is pretty good. And have a little video of that. So pretty cool. Hopefully we'll get all 4. 2 more weeks and we'll have all 4. And yeah, so that's all for that. I was hoping to kind of like based on this week's lecture and lesson, like start looking into kind of like Reddit subforums for drone enthusiasts and stuff like that. Haven't had the time to, but hopefully that will be next week thing, kind of looking more like specific audience. But yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for the support. Drop me a DM. Go to our website, risdrones.com. Thanks.